This is Vinachaki sawdust firewood in the factory, ready to export to our customers. Its core is really firm and hard to break down. It is suitable for camping, fireplace, and even cooking due to its long burning time and little ash content. It can last for at least 5 hours, creating beautiful flame and warm atmosphere. The closer you look, the brighter our firewood is. It can literally light up your space. The fire is really consistent because of its high heat and low moisture. We can also customize the length of firewood according to your requirements. Contact us right now.